Welcome back to my channel guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to upload videos on YouTube. Go to web browser and go to YouTube and click on that arrow. Then this will pop up. Click on select file to update. You can select take photo or videos or photo library. I will choose photo library and select that video you want to upload on YouTube. I will select this. Then click on use to upload this video and this page will load up. This is title to type about your video. For example, I will show you. And below title, this is the description box. You can type about your video or you can provide link for your social medias. And this is tags. You can type some tags. I will show you. Just add tags about your video. It helps to get views. And this is playlist. You can create new playlist or you can use old playlist. I'll choose this. It may take some time to upload. It will depend upon your internet speed. After this process, thumbnail will appear. You can choose custom thumbnail from your gallery. I will choose this as my custom thumbnail. After this, click on publish to upload video on YouTube.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for